Good afternoon. Myself Rajesh Prajapati. I'm from second year. I plan DNA isolation level.
जोर से बोलो, लाउडली, जो भी बोलो एकदम जोर से, जैसे रैली में बोलते हैं नेताजी।
DS is 6.0 and second.
We are going to explain this table here. Just serial number, item name, stock concentration, working concentration, 100 ml. Right? First compound is Tris HCl, pH 8, stock concentration 1 molar, working concentration 100 millimolar, and then compound number 2, EDTA.Na2, pH 8.0, 0.5 molar, 50 millimolar is the working concentration. Right? Third compound is NaCl, 5 molar, stock 1.4 molar, working concentration. CDAR used for plant and fungal world. SDS used for all kinds of animal DNA isolation. Okay. 20% is stock solution and working solution is 2% for CDAR, 1% for SDS. And the water, double distilled sterile water used to maintain the volume. Here is the 100 ml final volume of the preparation. On the basis of this calculation method is working 100 millimolar into for trace, 100 millimolar into 100 ml upon 1000 millimolar, for EDTA 50 millimolar into 100 ml upon 500 millimolar, like that NaCl and CDAR is calculated. And this bottle is just a representative bottles of stock solutions, and this bottle is our final preparation of DNA isolation solution, right? And based on this solution preparation, we are going to take here 10 ml trace, 10 ml EDTA, 28 ml NaCl, 10 ml CDAR and 42 ml water mixed together in one bottle. This bottle solution is a DNA isolation solution, and all the concentration is according to this working solution. And this solution can be used for all kind of the plant DNA and fungal DNA isolation solution, right? That is the way. You have to just loudly speak your words, hear, see and read it loudly. Okay, that is the only one thing required. And all the hesitation is out. After that you are a best teacher. You can teach anything, whatever you have. Just repeat it once again. Just repeat it once again. पूरा खाने का एनर्जी जितनी सब निकाल दो इसी टेबल सुबह से शाम तक और लाउड फुल
pH is 6.0
और तेज
stock concentration 1 molar and working concentration
100 millimolar.
100 millimolar. And second number is EDTA, Na2 pH 8.0.
Yes.
Stock concentration 0.5 molar.
Yes.
And working concentration 50 millimolar. And third NaCl, stock concentration 5 molar. And working concentration 1.4 millimolar.
Molar.
And fourth CTAB and
SDS
20% stock concentration and working concentration 2%.
And 1% for SDS.
And
Fifth compound, double distilled sterile water.
in quantity sufficient and calculated the formula and 100 millimolar into 100
ml upon
100 ml upon 1000
millimolar. Yes.
Equal to 10 ml.
Yeah, like that all the calculation is done. 10 ml, 10 ml, 28 ml, 10 ml, 42 ml is the value. Okay, next, explain this bottle. That was the table-based explanation. Now bottle-wise, figure-wise explanation here. All the 5 bottle is a stock solutions bottle, right? Same thing written over the bottle as written in the table. Now read all the table bottle and then explain. बस टेबल पे जो लिखा है वही बोतल पे पढ़ते सुनाओ.
Calculated formula
1 molar Tris HCl, pH 8.0, 100 ml दूसरा कंपाउंड है EDTA 0.5 मोलर, तीसरा कंपाउंड है NaCl 5 मोलर, चौथा कंपाउंड है 20% CDAP, पांचवा कंपाउंड है डबल डिस्टिल स्टाइल वाटर. To make 100 ml DNA isolation buffer, 10 ml, 10 ml, 28 ml, 10 ml and 42 ml mixed together in one bottle, that is DNA isolation buffer. यही एक्सप्लेन करना है आपको.
First product is HCl solution. pH is 6.8.
8.0.
8.0 and 100 ml.
Next one.
EDTA, pH is 8.0, 100 ml.
Yeah, next one.
And next NaCl 100 ml.
And the concentration also have to read 20%.
20% CDAP and 100 ml. And double distilled water, distilled water
100.
100 ml.
Yes.
And
सभी को
some complex of the
mixed in one bottle, that is 10 ml Tris, 10 ml EDTA, 28 ml NaCl, 10 ml CDAP, 42 ml water, that is DNA isolation water. Good.